Hi, to insert SIM card in your Poco X7 Pro, first thing first, we need to take this tool for opening SIM slots, which is called ejector. And by the way, it goes in a conflict with the device, but if you lost it, don't worry. This is really cheap tool, you can find it almost everywhere, or instead of this one, you can use pin and needle, but be careful because you may damage the SIM slot. Now let's actually find it. So for that, we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone. And now you can see this SIM tray and this little hole in it, right? So to open the SIM tray, just take your ejector or needle, place in that hole, then slightly press till the slot will pop up like this. And now we can take it out using the nails or ejector. Now let me show you how it looks. So as you can see, we got here space for the first SIM card, and if we flip it, we'll see space for second SIM card. So this phone actually supports dual SIM card. Now let me take my SIM card, and we need to insert it in right position. So right here you can see this rounded corner and the SIM on your SIM card. Make sure those corners matches like that, and simply press a bit on your SIM card so it will just click and be secured in this position and won't fall out. And now what we are gonna do next is we need to find this hole on the left side, and we need to place our tray with hole in the left side as well so it will match, and put it back in the phone and close the tray completely. And we just inserted SIM card. So to check the connection, make sure that those signal bars appears in the upper right corner. And also you can open settings, then go in tab more connectivity options or mobile networks. Now you should see this tab, first SIM card and second. In first one you should see your network provider, information about your SIM card, and also option to enable mobile data. So yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.